WP series welding chuck offers multiple models from WP200 to WP900 with 1 meter clamping force, large through-hole design, easy operation, and super cost effectiveness. It is an ideal choice for many welding workbenches. WPS series welding chuck is an upgraded version of the WP series with greater clamping force and more convenient adjustment, suitable for welding tasks with higher requirements. Models cover WPS 600 to WPS 1250, making your welding more accurate and efficient. WPT series welding chuck has a 2-meter working range, super clamping force, affordable price, and a wide range of applications. Whether it is a small workpiece or a large welding project, WPT 600 to WPT 2000 can meet your needs. If you have higher requirements for clamping force, accuracy, and through-hole size, the 𝘄𝗄𝗄𝗹𝗱 series is your best choice. Supports 3𝘄, 4𝘄, 6𝘄, and even 12𝘄. Models range from 𝘄11400 to 𝘄11150 to meet the needs of different workpieces.